Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, a basket contains three types of fruits. So the total weight of all the fruits is 128 upon 4 kg. So total weight equals 128 upon 4 kgs, which can be further simplified as 32 kgs. Now the total weight of all the apples is 58 upon 8 kgs and total weight of all the oranges is 15 upon 5 kgs. So we have to find the total weight of pears. So the total weight is composed of apples, oranges and pears, and it is equals 32 kgs. Now total weight of apple is given as 58 upon 8 kgs, so 15 upon 8 plus total weight of oranges is 15 upon 5, and then we have pears, which is equals 32 kg. Now 58 upon 8 is equals, let me simplify, 58 upon 8 is equals 7.25 kgs, 15 upon 5 is 3 kgs, and then we have pears, which is equals 32. Now shift all the constant terms from the left hand side to the right hand side. So total weight of pears will be equals 32 minus of 3 minus of 7.25 kgs. So it will become 21.75 kgs. Therefore total weight of pears equals 21.75 kgs. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.